you guys. Alexia! Oh my gosh, y'all. I am stuck on a log. Are you alright? Oh my word! This has never happened! I am stuck on a log! Look at me! Oh. Want a Pepsi? I don't know how I'm going to get off this log. Huh? I got our car keys and I've got everything. Don't you dare, don't you dare. It's my britches. Okay. I'm alright. Stop pushing. Alright. I'm gonna crawl. My feet. Okay. What about Patty? Okay, and then you get to a bank. You think you can do it? Okay. Let's get it to stop raining. I wish it would stop raining. Alright, you know what? Huh? Here, let me throw that bag to me and I'll... Okay, what we're going to try to do... Alright, Gordon. There is a tree right there, and then there's something right there. So, if we can even walk this canoe, you're not going to be able to, are you? Okay. Whew. Alright. Let's do this. It looks like they're pulling it right here, so let's not... Yeah, so let's go stay to the left. Yeah, let's stay to the left and let's slow down a little bit so we can stop. Yes. There's one in the life jacket. Slow down so we can... It looks like a garbage bag. See if you can try to grab that. There's one. Okay, y'all. Okay, stop me. I know that would scare you guys. No, I was scared. There's a water bottle. You deserve it, I think. Alright, be careful, Timmy. There's a stick right there. Timmy, you're pushing us right in. Okay. Alright, I think we're going to go to the other side over here. Yeah, we need to go to the right. I don't know, but I see gravel up here. Alexia! I don't know, but and try not to paddle until we see something. And let's just what side? Are you on the left or the right? I see it. Okay. She looks like she got 2 life jackets. She got both of the life jackets. We love. She's awesome. You caught 2 life jackets? You are awesome, child. I try to catch them shoes too. So we only lost Gordon. We need to get. You're awesome, child. That means, you know what? And that means the only thing that we lost was Gordon's shoes. Huh? Yeah, we lost our whole entire cooler, and we lost half of the cooler lid. And now look at the sky. The sky now.